Welcome to Forest Bathing Finder. If you're watching this video, we will assume that you have registered for an account and are now ready to explore the many benefits that your subscription has to offer. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to communicate with people who have registered for your walks. Let's begin. If you're not already logged in, go up to the upper right-hand corner and click Login. Once you're at the login screen, put in your username, add your password, and click Login. Now that we're logged in, let's see how easy it is to communicate with people that have registered for our walks. Simply go to Manage Your Walks, click on View and Edit Walks. This brings up a listing of all the walks that you have scheduled in the system. If anyone has registered for a walk, you'll see Registered followed by the number of registrants. Simply click on the button. A window will pop up and show you all of the registered participants. To send a message, simply check the box next to their name, type out your message, and click Send. It's that simple to communicate with people that have registered for your walks on forestbathingfinder.com. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Forest Bathing Finder. These tutorials are recorded to help you get the most out of your Forest Bathing Finder subscription. If you have further questions, visit us at www.forestbathingfinder.com.